numeracy, three-dimensional space, and volume and capacity. Students, we are nearing the end of our maths unit. That means it is time for you to show us all your understanding of what we have learned throughout this unit. Please click on the green learning intention to watch me break down our learning intentions in case you forgot them. Our success criteria. We will know we are successful if we can film yourself showing your understanding of the various success criteria below, investigate and represent three-dimensional objects using drawings, and use scaled instruments to measure and compare capacities and volumes. We have our success criteria here spaced out just a little bit clearly, just so you can read through them carefully and understand what is required of you in this lesson. Please remember to look at your daily review, okay? Understand any key terms that we might have missed or that you might not remember, because this will help you in your lesson. Your task today. Today you will be creating and filming yourselves doing your task. Follow the steps below. Before filming, find 2 3D objects from around your house. One must be a container that can hold liquid. The other can be any item of your choice. While filming, with these 2 objects, identify the three-dimensional name. Okay, so the actual mathematical three-dimensional name, not the name of your soccer ball, not the name of your tissue box, the three-dimensional name. Identify the properties, the edges, the vertices, and faces of these 2 objects. How many edges, how many vertices, and how many faces they have. Next, draw and label the top, side, and front view of each of your objects. Use a ruler. Remember, that is always important to use a ruler. Next, explain your understanding of the difference between volume and capacity. You can write your answer on a piece of paper and show it to the camera, or you can explain it verbally to the camera. It is up to you. With your liquid holding container, you need to estimate its capacity first, to look and estimate its capacity on the camera. After that, record its true capacity by stating the actual capacity of your container to the camera. And lastly, convert that capacity to both liters and milliliters. Lastly, find a creative way to explain how water displacement works. We did this a couple of days ago, so it shouldn't be new knowledge to you. Try and find a creative way to explain verbally how water displacement works to the camera. And then lastly, for an extension, compare 2 objects that have the same capacity but are different shapes. You might compare them because they have really different shapes and sizes, but they hold the same capacity. Make sure you upload your work, your film, your video to Seesaw. Okay, and make sure that you have all the components on this slide in that video. If you miss out on some, make another video and upload it as well. Good luck, students, and try your best.